Okay, let's see how this works. Doing this on my GoPro for the first time, so it might be a complete disaster or it might work really well. So the nice little wee Alba 1A, it's all cleaned up now, all together. I think it's running okay, but we'll give it a bit of a test run and, you know, show people, and you can have a chuckle at my stupidity or just have a look at a good old machine like this operating. So we'll start up the VFD, bring everything up to speed. This is set up for a 6-inch stroke at the moment, maximum is 10 on these. I think this is all working the way it's supposed to, so we'll engage the clutch. That should be doing 40 strokes per minute. I think that's going correct, so if we activate the table feed and we have a working table feed. Look at that, fucking hell. I love it when a plan comes together. And it's pulling it back on the backstroke, so that's correct. Yeah. I guess the next thing is I need to get my shit into gear and make some cuts with it. Okay, turn that off. Disengage that and power down, and we'll kill this video. Cheers everyone.